To block the doors and aisleways. That's all bags and coats off seats, please. For like passengers to sit down. Please make use of all seats available. Thank you.
We will shortly be arriving at Manchester Oxford Road. If you are leaving the train, please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you. Please mind the step down from the train onto the platform. Any customers exiting this station, please retain your tickets to operate the automatic ticket gates. We will shortly be arriving at Deansgate.